and basically made the unicorn. I modded my VR04 goggles from Beta FPV, and let's see how far they can go. The actual range of the tiny whoop is more or less somewhere 100 meters with the stock antenna. That is slightly windy. I mean, it's like 5 meters a second, so that would be like 2-in-1 basically. Test of Air 75 in sort of higher winds than usually people is flying, because tiny whoops, usually people is flying 0 to 3 meters a second. Now is like 5 with the gusts of around 7 meters a second. We arm the drone and we go. In this video we will be taking a look of my new mod for VR04 goggles, which is basically SMA antenna. Basically what I've done, I added SMA from inside. I removed original antenna and I put Foxier Lollipop 4 Plus, which is RHCP, as most of the people is flying that for analog. as you saw in the video, I mean, yes, okay, you can't be going for kilometers or long range or whatsoever, but in the same time, the connection is way better than with actual stock antenna, and that is actually worth to try and upgrade it. I saw some people putting antennas inside or from the side and this, but what I've done, I just soldered the hole and basically made the unicorn. And plus as well, I removed the nose thing, and it's way more comfortable than it was before. So I basically made the goggles slightly better than they actually are. And why would you do so? Because the goggles is like 90 euros, even cheaper if you get from their website, and the total cost of the mod is like another maybe 10-15 euros, and you have way better range and way more satisfaction from flying analog. Because before, with the stock antennas, when you was flying analog, I mean, it was unbelievable. I mean, you fly a couple of meters and the statics is starting to making you anxiety levels through the roof. Anyway, so this was the video. If you have some questions, leave down in the comments and you know what you need to do. So till the next video.